Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In my channel you will see so many different things from fitness, budgeting, organization, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos, travels, so many different things, and I really hope you will enjoy it and consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to turn on notification bell button so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you're not new, as always, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I want to show you a mini haul, some things that I got in a couple of different stores. I went to Target, Dollar Tree, and I went to Walmart and one thrift store, and there were so many good things. I have a feeling that many stores stepped up this year, and they got so many cute things, so I had to hold myself back not to buy a lot of things, since when it comes to Valentine's, I don't really like to over decorate. I have Christmas for that, but I like to have some pieces here and there, and especially this year I will have decorations on my mantle, since we have a fireplace and a mantle, and I think it's gonna look cute. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and also I want to bring you with me while I make a very cute DIY from the things that I got in my haul. So let's go. Okay, first things are gonna be from Target. I saw many cute things. They had everything from home decor, then things for you know, to gift to another person, craft things, many things, but I ended up getting only these two cute glasses for me and my husband to drink out of on a Valentine's Day. So look, it's Hugs and Kisses, and the other one is just plain heart, but it is so cute, and they were only $1 a piece, so I think it was well worth it. Then in a thrift store I found this beautiful piece, and it's actually a hanging decor, but I'm gonna probably just put it on a shelf. And noticing the tag, it was from Kohl's, and originally it was $19.99, but I got it for $2.50, and it is so cute. There's a little heart that pops out, and this is the hanging part, but I think I'm gonna I think I'm going to leave it on a shelf. Also, one day when we were going to the store, on our way we saw it was a moving sale, like estate sale, and my mother-in-law and I definitely needed to check that out. There were so many things that were already picked out, but I found two things that I'm going to be doing DIY at the end of this video. So these two candlesticks, they are definitely old and scratched out and everything, but I don't mind. I will repaint them, and they were only 50 cents a piece, so I got these two for $1. They are pretty heavy, so they used to be a pretty good quality, and I know they're gonna last a long time for me, but I want to make it my own and just paint it and decorate it the way I think it's gonna look good in my house. And now on to Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first thing I got is this sign. Again, it has a little thread to hang it. I will not hang it, it's going to be a decoration piece, and it's plain wood, so I will also repaint it and decorate it the way I think it's going to look great. And I will probably make another video along with other DIY projects about this. And this is going to be another DIY project. I picked up two of these door signs, and it says love each moment. I will not keep them this way, and I will use that and this stencil for my upcoming DIY project, so I will bring you along with that for sure. Next thing I picked out, now this was the only one left, and As you can see, it's supposed to say just love, and it's messed up. Somebody ripped this off, and it was the last one, but I needed actually just this part, love. So I picked it out, and they actually gave it to me for 50 cents since it was only half of the stickers. So that's going to be also part of the project. And I picked out 2 of these regular tall candles, and they're going to be going great with this candlestick. And also I picked up this ribbon. It's just regular plaid ribbon, just to use it in my decorations. I don't like it to be too much hearts all over and everything to scream Valentine's, but I definitely wanted to incorporate red color in it. So I think that's all when it comes to Valentine's. But I also picked up 2 things in a thrift store, 2 pieces of jewelry. So one is this beautiful, beautiful bracelet, and it also has hearts, so it can be used on a Valentine's Day. And that was $2. And also I found, actually my mother-in-law found it and showed it to me, and I loved it when I saw it, is this necklace. So let me see how I'm gonna show you. It has this pendant, beautiful, and it's longer, so now you're not going to be able to see it on this clothes, but yes, it hangs this way, and I love it. And this is leather, so I think it's beautiful, and it was also $2. So yeah, those are the things that I picked out. It was a small haul, but I was happy with what I found. Usually when I go to Dollar Tree, I cannot find things that I see other YouTubers find, and I'm always upset. How do I miss it, or is my Dollar Tree that bad? But I'm very happy with things that I found, because I'm going to use them for some projects, and it's going to be perfect. So now it's time to go ahead, and I'll show you how I do my DIY, and it's going to be these candlesticks. So let's jump into that. The first thing I wanted to do is to spray paint them with the regular black spray paint, and after that dried out, it was time for a chalk paint. As you can see over here, I used my makeup sponge, and in a dabbing motion I applied 2 coats total. After the chalk paint dried, I started sanding them lightly just around the edges, so it can get distressed look and old look. And this is how they turned out. I absolutely love it, and it's gonna look great in my house as a decor piece. But since this is a Valentine's DIY, I decided to add a red ribbon just to give it an extra Valentine touch. That is all I had for you today. I really hope you enjoyed my mini haul and the DIY project I prepared for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on notification bell button. My next video is going to be Monday, which is another Motivation Monday video. This time it's not going to be cleaning video. It is going to be my fitness and wellness journey video, and that's going to be the first one of that type, and I really hope you will join me so we can start that off together. I will see you then. Bye guys.